Hello everyone. So we are continuing with our Visual Basic. In review 1, you've learned how to actually start Visual Basic. Now I'm going to show you how to add some objects on the form. Now let's do it. But before we start adding objects, we have to deal with the form. So in review 2, in your textbook, the first thing what you need to do is to set the form properties. What property for the form we are going to set? It will be text property. So click on the form. Now it's selected. See those little boxes on the sides? Oh, they are pretty useful. You can change the size of the form. All right. And it also tells you that the font has been selected. And if it has been selected, all the properties belong to that particular form. So we are going to change the text property. It's already highlighted, as you can see. We are going to change the name to example. It's not the name you are going to use in review 2, but I just want to show you how to do things, and then you will follow the reviews from the textbook. So I changed the name to example. Nothing changed yet. Well, I have to press enter. Ta-da! Okay, so where is the word example? Look, right here in the title bar of this window of the form, you are going to see the word example. The next thing we are going to do, oh, by the way, you don't do anything else to the form. The name of the form stays Form 1. You don't change it. The only thing you change in the form is the text property, which is here in the title bar. The next thing we are going to do is add a label. Where is the label? In the toolbox. Oh, here it is. Let's grab it. I'm going to have a big label in smack in the middle. Why not? And so I make the label. I let go, and what happened to my label? It got squashed. I don't like it being squashed. So what do I want to do? Now it's selected. How do I know it's selected? Because of the little box. And now watch here. Properties of the label. I'm going to scroll up. I want my label big. So I'm going to scroll up to other size, see the true, change it to false. Now it looks good. Now it looks like I wanted it. Now, there are two things you need to change immediately. The first one will be the name of the label. The second one will be the text. Okay, so let's start with the name. The book asks us to change the name of each object and add 3-letter prefix for each object. So what do you think would be the 3 letters that would represent a label? Yes, LBL sounds pretty good. So I'm going to call it LBL. Oh, look, here's the name. LBL, LBL, example. Again, that's not what you are going to do, what you are going to call it in review 2, but that's okay. At least you know how to do it. And I'm going to press enter. Do you see any changes? Well, not on the form. How come? The name is for the program. That's why you will see LBL example as the name of the label that you are going to use. Now, let's scroll down and change the text property. In the text property, I will say, how about hello? Ha, ha. And I want it beautiful and big and smack in the middle of the label. All right, so now I'm going to press enter, and oh, that's not a big, beautiful hello. It's a measly little thing. Okay, I have to do something to it. Now, what can I do? I can change the font size. How? Well, let's scroll. Remember, it has to be selected. Let's scroll up, 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 up to font. See this font? When I click once, oh, I got ellipsis. What does it tell you? There will be another little window. Let's check. Okay, and here it is. So here's our font. We can choose the text, the font face. Okay, quite a few of those. Okay, we can change the to italics and bold and italics, and of course we can change the size. All right, so I'm going to go for, I don't know what I want to go for. How about, oh, the typical Arial. Okay, where is it? Here. Too far, too far, too far. Here it is. Now, do I want it to be, regular is fine. No, maybe bold. Just bold. And let's change the size. How about 36? Yeah, that looks good. Click OK. Yay! It's too little. Let's change it to bigger. Yeah, why not? Let's change it to 48. Oh, much better. Now, but I want it to be smack in the middle. And right now it's not. What can I do? Well, let's go down, 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 down to text align. So see it? Text align, click, and now I'm going to choose now smack in the middle. Here it is. Yay, I'm so proud. We've got the label and we've got the beautiful bold text inside. Now watch what I can do with the label. I can make it smaller, I can make it bigger, and look, the text walks with the middle of the label, no matter the size of the label. Good. So that was your review 2. Now, well, now we have to save it and then run the message. Okay, so what you want to do is actually save all. Save all. Okay, that means you already have the name. Yeah, mine is example 2, and it's nicely saved back into the folder. Now, let's play. Start. And let's watch what happens. It takes some moment. It takes a moment. It's doing it for the first time. So guess what? It does take a moment. And then we are going to see our form with our L label in the middle. All right. So we are waiting, still waiting. And we are still waiting. Loading. All right, here it is. So this is our run. All right. Yep, we've got the text example. That's the title. And now we've got the label. Now, notice there's nothing else, nothing to click on, nothing to do. This is what we've done so far. We just put a label with text in it, and that's about it. How do we close it? Well, before we do it, I want you to see it right here. See it? That means we are running the project. Now, you cannot change anything when you are running the project. You cannot change the size of the label. You cannot change the title. You cannot do anything when you run the program. So, close. And now we can add some more changes. What we are going to do right now is actually we are going to add a menu. So in review 3, you are going to follow how to add a menu. I'm going to move the hello a little bit lower, and I'm going to show you how to do the menu. If you look through, menu starts with M, not here. So we have to go further down. Oh, here it is, menu and toolbars. In version 2019, the menu that we are going to create is called menu strip. So click on it. Where shall we put the menu? Here, here, here. You think that's the right place. How about if I put it here? No, you cannot cheat the computer. Computer knows where the menu goes. So even if you click here, you still get it right here. So we are going to create one menu which is called program. So type here. Okay, I'll type. And I'm going to type the word program. All right. And press enter. You know what I've done? I just created a text property of the menu. Look, I click back on the program, and if you go down, down, down to the text, you'll see the word program already. What do you think will be the three letters for program? Sorry, for not program. This is the name of the menu. So for the menu, what will be the three letter for menu? M and U. I really don't like program, tool, strip, menu, item. Yuck. So let's call it much nicer, MNU program. All right. And what do we do now? Press enter. Okay, this menu is not going to do anything. This menu will just look pretty. Now we are going to add another menu. Below, see, type here. I'm going to type the word exit. Okay, and press enter. And again, I click on the exit to select that menu and notice. Okay, the text property of this menu is exit. What will be the name of this menu? Not exit tool strip menu item. It will be called MNU exit. And enter. Again, you only see it here. So we've got two menus. Shall we try and run it? Okay. What do you think will happen when I run it? Now it should be faster because I've run it once before. Okay, it is faster, isn't it? Now, what do you think will happen when I click program and when I click on exit? What do you think will happen? No, I'm not going to exit. How come? Well, I didn't tell the computer to what to do to exit. Okay, so watch, click on exit, nothing happened. I have to close it the usual way. All right, now I'm going to tell the computer how to exit. Now, I need to access the other window. What other one? Well, the other screen. This is the screen where I actually create objects on the form. But there's another one that allows me to code or make a program or write a program. So what am I going to program? Exit. What do? I double click on it. And watch this. Watch this. Now I'm in the programming screen. All right. And what is it? Well, when you click, see this, click on the menu exit, something is supposed to happen. What is supposed to happen? Well, you are supposed to end the program. So what would be the magic word to end the program? End, of course. Yay! That's it. This is it. This is our program that ends when we click on menu exit. Shall we try again? Shall we? Okay, start. And yay, program exit. We've done it. Excellent. So now you know how to finish a program using exit menu. All right. In review 4, you are going to actually, you are going to add that end to the code. Now, this is it for reviews 2, 3, and 4. Review 5, you are going to make all by yourself. It will be brand new project. So what you are going to do first, you are going to save all your message. Okay, then you're going to go File, Close Solution. And yes, this is again this Create New Project window. And of course, you can open a project or solution that you already have. See, I have my example too, if I wanted to open it again. Or you can create a brand new project. Your brand new project will be called My Name.